Bali, people say union of water and rice provide them with all they need for well and live band. It is our hope that union between Seraphim and Tyler will be like union of water and rice and beer that must live satisfaction.
Only you who can be taking away the shit that I go through each and every day. When I'm alone with you, you make it better again. Yeah. Your arms are where I wanna remain. Catch my eye and you start to say, hey baby, we can dance slowly. My darling, I'll be all you need.
At this moment, we're standing before the beautiful place. Seraphim and Taylor will exchange the vows and commitment to each other. The celebrant is not only for joining the two hearts, but also for joining two families.
Hey baby, we can dance slowly. Put your bodies on me. Hey baby, we can dance slowly. And I'm here for whenever you need to put it all on me.
Ooh, you're there for me when I need you to be. Cause I find it hard to say the words, but some shit don't need an explanation, baby. I try to be strong, but I got demons. So can I lean on you? I need a strong heart and a soft touch, and you're the one when I won't love. It's you and only you that can be taking away the shit that I go through each and every day. Baby, I can't wait. In love with all your ways. Your arms are where I wanna remain. Grab my waist when I start to say no.
Hey baby, we can dance slowly. My darling, I'll be all you need. I know it hasn't been your day, oh we to put it all on me. Oh my darling, put your bodies on me.
Seraphim and Tyler, from this moment on, you are now husband and wife.
All on me.
Baby,